Hey guys, hi. So we are at Dr. Reddy Pharma Conference. What we are doing here is, unveiling the logo on the main screen, right? So their management is coming, right? So the activity is we have to, pedal up the cycle, and then the logo will gonna blast on the main screen, right? I'll show you a demo, right? Maybe in next 20 minutes we have to start this activity. So before that, we are doing a trial run. I'm just recording a video for our future purpose, right? Let's do it, right? We go back and record the video. Okay, so here we go.